Ever feel like you're constantly playing catch-up with your finances? Receipts piling up, bank statements a mystery, it's enough to make anyone throw in the budgeting towel. But what if there was a way to streamline the process, to have your transactions magically appear in your budget? That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. But here's the burning question: does YNAB actually sync with your bank accounts? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of YNAB's direct import feature and answer everything you've ever wanted to know. The dream: automatic harmony. Let's face it, manually entering every single transaction is a recipe for frustration. Ideally, we want our budgeting app to work seamlessly with our bank, downloading transactions with the click of a button or without even a click. This would be a game changer, saving us tons of time and ensuring our budget stays up to date. YNAB's direct import, a helping hand, but not a magic wand. The good news is, YNAB does offer a feature called direct import. This allows you to connect your bank accounts to YNAB, and, in theory, it will automatically import your transactions. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the thing: direct import isn't quite a magical transaction fairy. It relies on third-party services to connect with your bank. While this works well for most users, there can be some limitations. Understanding the limitations. Not all banks play nice. Some banks, due to security restrictions or outdated systems, might not be compatible with YNAB's direct import. You can find a list of supported banks on the YNAB website, but be prepared for the possibility that your bank might not be on the list. The waiting game: even if your bank is compatible, transactions won't appear in YNAB instantly. There's usually a delay, which can range from a few hours to a couple of days. Not completely hands-off, while direct import saves you time entering transactions, it doesn't eliminate it entirely. You'll still need to review the imported transactions, categorize them correctly, and make sure everything matches your bank statement. YNAB to the rescue, even without direct import. Now, if your bank isn't compatible with direct import, or the waiting game just isn't your style, fear not. YNAB is still a powerful budgeting tool. You can simply enter your transactions manually. While it might take a bit more effort up front, the benefits of staying on top of your finances can be well worth it. Beyond the basics, importing with a twist. There are also some third-party tools and browser extensions that claim to offer more robust syncing features between YNAB and your bank accounts. However, it's important to exercise caution with these tools, as they might not be secure or officially supported by YNAB. Always do your research before using any third-party integrations. The verdict: YNAB and bank accounts, a collaborative effort. So, to answer the initial question, does YNAB truly sync with your bank accounts? The answer is a qualified yes. Direct import offers a helpful way to automate some of the data entry, but it's not a perfect solution. There can be limitations depending on your bank and your own preferences. The good news is, YNAB is a flexible tool. Whether you use direct import, enter transactions manually, or find a workaround that suits you, YNAB can empower you to take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.